new hat. Yay!
Tanda ng race.
Stuff. Stuff. Oh, sorry. This is for sale. Yeah. Hey, Globe! Welcome to Manila, folks. Hey. Leonardo DiCaprio. Look, you're white for once. This is the radio. Alright, alright, okay. Alright, okay. Alright, okay, alright.
Oh my God!
Hey! Oh!
Ay, sorry.
Very fat!
Chicken pox yan.
Then.
Yan.
Ew!
HIV?
No!
Ay, Dad, itaas ko na lang po.
Oh my god. Pretty. Alright! We in the Ferris wheel that we saw kanina. Hey, ew.
I'm not a piece of meat.
I'm not a piece of meat.
And he answered like this. I'm like, what does that mean?
You
Is
know.
that a yes or a no? And he replied again, what the fuck? This is that one.
Wow!
Oh yeah, yung RK something. RK.
We're in the thing! We're in the... Hey!
Ano unahin natin? Yung may water or yung twisty?
Huwag naman na
Just on the top of the world.
Wait, may speakers.
Down on the ration, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Oh my god, we're at the very top of the world. And it's scary. Wow. Let's go.
Ay, hindi ko nahihilig pa. Ano, B? How are you, B?
Reklamo yan sige.
B, how are you, B? Ha?
Scary.
What happened? Ha? Sorry to talk. Sila nun.
Yabante mo na yung
Okay. Nay! Nay! Ring na, Nay! Ring! Nay! Ring! Yeah!
Pasok na natin siya sa loob. 1, 2, 3. Walang siya. Lumalabas siya. Book. Di ba? Maybe. Wacky hair. Oh, nautusan yun siya, sir. Wacky hair ulit, oh. Oh, yan. I love it. Ay, siya. Oh, dito naman. Grabe cute. Oh, yan. Kaloma. Patay mo siya. Di ba? Pag nagalit ka, patay mo siya. Buk mo siya. Tikilitin mo lang yan siya. Lambing lang yan, no? Ari, mo. Nasunod na ulit siya. Kunyari, agad ko ka agad. Try mo lang siya. Ayan. Oh. Kunyari, touch mo lang yung nose niya. Laruan lang yun siya, ate. Ano? Touch mo lang yung nose. Sorry, nahihiya. Ay, grabe.
Yeah, this is cool. Uy, konti lang ang video, mata.
Ito siya, ate. Oh, yung oil mo. Share mo. Kuha lang natin siya. Kuha lang tayo ng gadget sa likod. Ito yung gadget. Hawakan mo siya. Ayan, ito yung oil mo. Ito, pasok mo natin yung gadget sa likod. 1, 2. Open mo siya. Tanggalin mo siya. Ito sir, pag gusto nila to sir, ito siya 300 lang, libre na lang natin yung wacky.
What? No way!
Dapat nandidiram yan.
Hindi, hindi ram. Holy shit.
Turo natin sir, hindi siya kailangan ng bilis
I
na
don't know how.